Okay. Now, I would like to begin this workshop by asking you this small question. If you can answer this question, do you guys have a financial freedom? So if you can answer this question either by answering it with by unmuting yourself or write it in the chat option. Do you have financial freedom? Yes, no, maybe. What will be the answer, guys?
Not completely.
Not completely. Okay. What about
Yes.
you? Have a financial freedom?
Yeah, same. Not completely. I mean,
Not
not
completely.
much.
Okay.
Yeah.
So whenever
We
I
have.
ask this, whenever I ask this question, I majorly or majority of them will answer me in yes or no, and most of them dwell towards the third option called maybe. I haven't thought about it. So let me help you out in by making that decision or answering that question by explaining what is financial freedom first. Then you can maybe answer this question whether you are financially free or not. Now, what is financial freedom? This is a one-line definition will define the financial freedom completely, which is earning required money without doing any real job. That means whatever is basically whatever is required to live your lifestyle for a month, if you're getting that without doing any real job, if you're getting it easily, then you're financially free. For example, somebody's lifestyle, say, including your rents and your children's school fees or your wife's expenses or your husband's family expenses for that matter. Let's say it's 50,000. Somebody's lifestyle is 1 lakh, somebody's 2 lakh, depends on what kind of lifestyle they're living. And if you're getting that sum of money without doing any real job every single month, then my friend, you're financially free. It's not about being a millionaire, then you'll be financially free, because the lifestyle is totally different. It's about living the lifestyle, and whatever money is required to live that lifestyle completely. If you're getting that money every single month without doing any real job, you are financially free. So now can you think an answer? Are you financially free? Yes, no, maybe? Or answer remain the same? Okay. So Ethan said no. Okay, that's completely fine with me. Now, some of the participants always ask me this question, like, I understand what is financial freedom, but how do we? Is it really true? I mean, can we get that kind of money without doing any job? Which some people also call it passive income, which is not you're not working actively to get it. It's basically coming passively. Even if you're sleeping, your money is basically generating that kind of money. So I always answer it yes. What are the ways? Actually, there are three magical ways, three ways through which you can basically get that money. What are these three ways? Number one is this: property. If you have a big property or set of property, and you're getting the rent out of it every single month, that means technically you're not working for it. You're getting the rent, and it matches your lifestyle monthly expense. You're financially free because you're actually not working, but your asset, which you have developed, basically generating that kind of a revenue that you can live your expenses very comfortably. Yeah. Second way is basically a sleeping partnership with any as a contract. What is sleeping partnership? So when you do a business with somebody, there are two kind of contracts that you can sign with them. One is active participation. Second is a sleeping partner. That means you just invested sum of money as a contract every month. Some percentage of the revenue or a profit or a fixed amount will come to your account every single month. You don't have to basically involve yourself in that business. Like in Dubai, government has this rule: you have to have a local partner. So these local partners have multiple partnership in the businesses. They don't really actively involved on those businesses. They have done a contract. Either they get the some amount of money every month. It doesn't matter the profit or loss, or they basically get a certain percentage of the profit every single month. And they're not actively involved. They just go once in a month and say hi and hello and come back. So that also a way of getting money to live your expenses and can make you financially free. Now, if you do not have a property, if you do not have a sleeping partnership with anybody in any organization, then there's only one third way left, which is investment. Now, if I give you, there's so many ways you can invest, the 1,000 ways of investments. But if you take out the data from past 10 years and the top 10 investments mode, if you take The top two investments which given highest return is basically number two is gold. So that's what most of the people, especially Indian people, do. What we do is, what do we do? Buy gold and keep it, because that's the one that not going to depreciate and we'll get the money out of it. So second is gold. First is basically investment in share market, mutual funds, and the other investments plans. These are the top two instruments which has given maximum returns to the investors who has basically have done it. If you talk about share market, is always on the top because it has given more than anything else, like FDs and everything gives nothing. But even the gold, if you take overall, you have received only 5 to 8 or 9% of the capital gain. But if you talk about share market, it has given more than 30% of investment return to the people who have done it in last 10 days or so, 10 years or so. So that's the third way. So if you don't have the first and the second way, third way is the basic way to go about it. And that's the reason why we are here, to learn what is it, how we do it, because the majority of people say, hey, I got you. I understand that this is a top basically source of income in terms of investment, but you know what? I heard from so many people, have heard that this is risky, and the share market eats your money, and you're not wrong. It does eat your money. Why? Because there are two kind of people who come in investment market or in share market. People number one, or the person number one, who always comes with big money for investments, and they get out with the experience. So they come with money, they go out with experience. Okay. Second, people who come with experience and they take out money from the market and then go. This is where we come to the picture. Before you get inside the market, we give you the experience, which basically helps you dig out the money from the market, because market has so much of money that you can't even imagine. You can take out and you take it with you very, very easily. Now, I want to ask you this question. Any traders in the house right now, and out of this participant that we are here today, anybody who's real trading or have done trading in the past?
No.
No. Okay. Anybody
Actually,
else?
my husband is doing, but no, I have never done.
Okay. Anybody else? Yes, no, or all five are freshers? Never done it?
No.
No. Okay. Now, if you haven't done it, let me tell you, and people have done it, I would have asked you, are you in profit? Because 90% of the population in the share market is in the loss. Only 10% people are the lucky ones, and these are the ones who are with experience. These are the ones who with experience, who are basically getting money out of it, because they know the pulse of the market. They know when to enter, when to exit, and share market is all about entry and exit. Right entry and right exit. That basically gives you the extra edge in terms of earning the money or getting what you actually want from the market. Okay. Welcome, Rahul. You didn't lose much, but yeah. Okay, so let me just share information about it. Is it risky? Yes, it is risky. But if you are smart enough and you have experience and you know the ways, you can get it out. But in a long run, it is not. Now, I'll show you a proof for it. Now, the screen, if you see, it's basically a journey of Sensex. What is Sensex? Is basically set of multiple stocks and basically an Indian economy, for that matter, if you talk about. So 1980, when it started with 1 rupees, and it slowly started growing. So people who invested that time, if you see from 1980 to 1990, it was not much movement. Here, there's so many things has happened, like Harshad Mehta scam has happened, Mumbai bomb blast has happened, global financial crisis happened, and the price went down. So market was up and down all throughout. It was going up and down, up and down. But in a long run, if you see, it started for 1 rupees, and now the Sensex is standing somewhere close to 40,000. That means if you see in the long run, market is growing. So if you have invested, of course, you would have milked money itself. And if you're smart enough, you know when to enter and when to exit to basically, and when to buy. So this is the right point to buy, because market, already at bottom, you can buy. So people who bought here at this particular point, people who have bought at this particular point gain the rally and enjoyed the money till here to here. They can book profit. Market went down again. People who bought here, would have enjoyed till here. Then market again came down. This is the time to buy, right entry, and they have enjoyed the benefit here. Market again came back and recovered so fast. Okay, so that's what happened. And you might have seen every time market will fall, it will get back to its feet very fast. So this might take a little time. It was very fast. It was even faster, and this was very, very fast. This is COVID, for that matter. There's a COVID. When March happened, the market basically went to 7,500 points, and they went back up. Sensex also fall, and it has happened. So people who come with experience and they know when to enter and when to exit are the one who made big time money. The question comes, how do you basically do that? You do it when you take calculated risk. What is calculated risk? It's basically a risk undertaken after careful consideration based on conscious knowledge, analysis, and experience. And that's what we give you. We give you the way to analyze the stocks by yourself so that you are capable enough to take out the trades by yourself. Now, I'll give you example as we go by as well. Now, but it's why do I do it? Now, there's a website called Money Control, which published a lot of articles, and it's basically a financial news-based website. I read an article on that, and the title of the article was "I Did It for Her," and it was basically a story about a guy called Henry Johnson, sorry, who was in US. And what happened is, so this baby girl was born 1985 in US, and when she was born, Henry basically decided that my daughter was going to be a doctor, okay, or whatever she want to be, but I want her to be a doctor. But he's from a middle class family. He knew when the time will come, he might not have the enough money for her higher education. So what he did is, he basically invested in the share market with a plan, which started with $1,000. He purchased something, and he invested in that plan $100 every single month. From 1985, he started doing it. 2017, when the real time came and the daughter was ready for her higher education, the total money that he's invested was somewhere close to $46,000 to $49,000. However, when he withdrawn money from the plan, the whole money that he got was $248,000 in terms of investments, and which was more than enough for her higher education. It was quite sorted. That's why he said, I did it for her. If you would like to refer it back, you can also do it by Googling it. In the sense, you can pick any share price in 1985. How much was the price of one share? And if you would have invested that kind of amount that particular time, and you to take the 2017 times, it will be totally different. Like if we give an example, around 1985, 1990, Reliance was only 99 rupees or 80 to 99 rupees at that particular time. But Reliance, if we talk about right now, it's more than 2,130 rupees. Yeah. So if you see the kind of returns that you might have earned if you would have invested, it's there. So for financial the first step is more important. You don't need to be afraid. Just don't give up and get scared by what people say, saying that, hey, it's a loss-making business. No, actually not. If you take calculated risk, if you know what you're doing, you will milk money for sure. And that's where we come into the picture and to give you that experience. So for the people who do not have any experience, let me give you a little glimpse of the share market, what it is, how does it work, so that you also understand and choose and make a wise decision consciously, whether you want to go ahead or not. So example of an organization, let's say, if I talk about organization, I will say, take any name. Let's say Jigisha basically has opened an Indian accessory business in India, small Pune, and she is basically a very passionate entrepreneur, and she always has that hunger to go big and do something of her own. So she opened this organization which is manufacturing and selling Indian accessories, and she's doing good in Pune. After one shop, she opened one another, and second and third, and now she opened the fourth one. Now because she's a hungry woman in terms of growing big and becoming some known person in the market, she want to go big and get outside Pune and open some branches nationally in Bombay, in Delhi, in Bangalore, and other part of the cities. Now, if you may, anybody from the group can tell me what do you think Jigisha require to open more branches or expand her business? What does she require?
Money inflow.
Money. So if she want to grow, she require money. So I'm gonna show you. Yes, she require money. She need money to grow so that she can grow properly. Now, in order to get that money, she will look at her bank account, but she didn't had enough money to expand. She need more money. So where she can get money? What do you think are the sources?
Bank
Where she
loan.
can go?
Bank.
Banks. Okay. So she went to a bank. Let's assume she went to one bank, two bank, third bank, fourth bank. What the banks are saying, hey, listen, your organization is small. Do you have anything security to take the loan so that I can give you the loan? And if we give you loan, we take 40% interest, 30% interest, and the interest rate is very higher. So that option is a little close for you because organization is not that big that you can basically, or you don't have any assets to basically give as a security in against of which you can take loan. So the bank thing is gone. Where else you can go and get the money?
Any
Father.
partner?
Bilkul, absolutely. You said partner. That means you will look for individual people who can invest in your business, and that's very much correct. You went to a person, let's say Jigsaw went to Rahul or Jitendra, any one of you, and you want to say, hey, listen, I want to expand. I need some money. Can you basically give me some money? I said, yeah, I can give you money, but you need to give me 50% of the partnership in the company, and I'm ready to invest. Now, Jigisha might not want that because she basically given her blood and sweat to the company to basically grow that big, and she don't want any third person coming all of a sudden giving some money and getting stakes in the company like that. So you don't want to do that either. Now, Indian government or any government for that matter in country, for such passionate and hungry people for growth, they have this institution that they developed called stock exchange. Now, how does this works? Let's understand that. Now, what this scheme is that what Jigsha can do is basically list the company in the stock exchange. Before listing the company, she need to take out the net worth of the company overall and list the company by deciding how much % of ownership she want to liquidate and ask for people participation. That means she'll go public by launching an IPO. IPO is initial public offering. So she will list the first step. She will take out the net worth of the company. Second step, she will list the company with the exchange. And third is she will decide what percentage of ownership in the company she want to liquidate. So let's say I'll take a small number for calculation. The organization that she owns, which is Jigsaw Enterprises, the total worth of the company is 1 lakh rupees. It can be 1 crore also. Don't mind Jigsaw. I'm just saying for evaluation purposes, 1 lakh rupees. And she decided I am going to give 10% of it as a people participation. Still, she hold 90% of the ownership. That means she's the real owner. So 10% she will liquidate. Now, exchange has said your 1 share evaluation is equal to 1 rupees. So 10% is 10,000. That means 10,000 shares are there ready for other people to buy, investors to buy. Now, stock exchange never goes out in the market to sell the shares, or anybody cannot go to share market directly and buy these shares by themselves. There is a mediator in between. We call these people brokerage houses, ICICI Direct, HDFC, Axis Bank, Zerodha, Upstock, Sharekhan. There's so many, LS Blue, there's so many thousand. Now Paytm is also started. These all people are working as a broker who help customers buying and selling these shares from the exchange, buying and selling. So you do buying and selling using these brokers, and you pay a commission for buying and commission for selling. Different service provider have different charges. We're not going to discuss that. Of course, that's later part, but just to understand the concept. Now the Jigsaw Enterprises share 10,000, 10K shares are basically in the market now. Okay. And with the help of this, let's say 10 investors purchased 1,000 each. How much? 1K share.
1,000 each.
1,000 each they have already purchased. Okay. So 10 people has it. Now this 10,000 basically through exchange, Jigsaw has received it. And now she has invested that money in company's growth. And she's opened few more branches, and the company start growing. As performance goes, we do not have only 10 investors in the market. There are millions and millions of investors in the market. Now they have heard there's an organization called Jigsaw Enterprises, which is manufacturing Indian ethnic accessories, and it's selling very far. And this is their growth chart. This is their annual P&L and so on and so forth. The performance report as such, they are also interested. So they want to buy it. Now they put a bid of it. Okay, I'll buy it for 2 rupees. Then say somebody said 3 rupees. Let's say the price reaches to 5 rupees. One of the investors from this 10 people who owns 1,000 decided to sell his share of 1,000 in 5 rupees. So he sold it for 5. That means he has received 4 rupees per share benefit, which is 4K. So he has received 4K benefit.
Tarun?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah, can you repeat again this one?
Yes. So in the first case,
How?
the 10 investors have purchased 1,000 share each, right? And each share price was 1 rupees. That means they had bought 1,000 shares with the cost of 1 rupees per share. Correct? Clear so far?
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Correct.
Now, because of the performance in the market and the demand in the market, the share price has the people are bidding for it, and the share price reaches to 5 rupees per share. And one of the investment, let's say Rahul has 1,000 and Rahul decided to sell it off. So Rahul sold his share of 1,000 on 5 rupees. The buying price was 1 rupees and the selling price is 5 rupees. That means he has earned 4 rupees per share. That means 4,000 rupees total profit. Is that correct? Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Now the company is still more performing and growing more. This 5 rupees share price went and become 10 rupees. Now, okay. So the person who bought it, let's say Jatinder has bought it on 5 rupees from Rahul. Now he sold it on 10 rupees. That means he has earned 5 rupees per share. Correct? That means 1,000 share means how much? 5 into 1,000, total 5K.
5,000.
He has earned 5K. Okay. And Jatinder has sold the shares to, let's say, there's a guy called Raj. Okay. Raj bought it and on 10 rupees. Now what happened is organization, now Jigsaw has opened the organization branches in so many cities, but she cannot be present everywhere. And the team that she hired was not able to manage the business so much because they're developing and they do not know what to do on a larger scale. So there's a certain dip in the performance, and the share price also came from 10 rupees to 7 rupees. Okay. Now Raj, who has bought it on 10 rupees, sold his shares on 7 rupees. That means he has received -3 rupees loss. That means -3 means
3K.
loss in the overall purchase. Now, this is the overall sell and buy cycle. When you buy for less and sell for more, you make money. But if you buy for more and sell for less, you make money. Okay. It's all about investing in a right place and entering. So I would say Raj has entered at a wrong time, but Rahul and Jatinder has entered in a right way altogether. Okay. So this is the whole cycle. Now you will ask me, what is the benefit of Jigsaw? I mean, she just got 10,000 rupees. That's it, right? No. You know what happened? She has liquidated what percentage of shares?
10%.
10%. But she owns 90% of the share. When she initially, it was for 90K because 1 rupees per share. But when share becomes 10 rupees, her shares was not 90K anymore. It's 9 lakh. So it's 9 lakh altogether. Okay. Now, Warren Buffett, Mukesh Ambani, Bill Gates, these people are not cash rich people. They do not have a physical cash. They have so many organizations and they own a lot of shares of those particular company. And the price of the shares is so high that if you take out their net worth, they'd never say they're cash rich. They say their net worth is so much that they're basically very rich. Like Facebook owner, Mark Zuckerberg, is basically not cash rich. He's basically rich. Of course, you can get a cash by selling those shares. But as of now, they own that share. That's why they have that kind of money invested in them. Like I bought the Reliance share on 900 rupees. Right now it's 2,100. I have only 50 shares. But if you talk about the revenue, it's good, right? But I always had this to keep it for a long time and I'm keeping it. But as soon as it reaches 2,200, I'm going to sell it. That's my benchmark. I'm just waiting for it. It's going to happen in September. You will see it. There's so many predictions that I've done, which is correct so far. Like I have said, JSW Steel, I have given a call 10 days back when it was on 220. And I told them that my first target is 30. Second is 40. 40. My third target is 50. And my final target is 60. 4 targets I always give. When I say this, it means 230, 240, 250, 260. And I gave this call when it was on 220. Now, you can go back and check, in just 12 days, and this was a call for a month, okay? In just 12 days, the current price of JSW Steel is 272. So my targets are already done, but this poor chap, my piece of my heart is not stopping. It's basically flying still. Okay, you will be able to take out such calls by yourself by looking at by implementing the strategy and the tricks that's what I share in my training when I do it. Okay, but anyways, let's go for. Is this clear? The whole share thing is clear?
Yeah.
Yes. No. Maybe.
Yes. Yes. It is.
Perfect. Now, if this is clear, let me tell you what are the trading style. Okay, I'm giving you the information so that it's easier for you to understand. Once the trading is clear, let's understand trading style. There are 2 trading style that we have simply. One is intraday, second is delivery. Now, what happened is the share market timing is basically 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 for equity market. Okay. Now, if you buy share right now after 9:30 and you sell it before 3:30, that means the same day. If in the same day, if you're closing your position, that means you're buying and selling in the same day, it's intraday. But if you're buying it today in this session and holding it for minimum 1 day, that means you buy it today and you sell it tomorrow, or after 1 week, or after 1 month, after 1 year, after 10 years, after 50 years, after 100 years, whatever, it is called delivery. Okay. The charges for intraday is different. The charges for delivery is different. That vary from broker to broker, but this is what it is. If you can give full time, intraday. If you cannot give full time, it's delivery. Now, there are 2 type of people in intraday and there are 2 type of people in delivery. What are these people? It's something on your screen. Intraday, people number 1 who can give 1 hour to 3 hour every day. These people are called scalpers. What are the scalpers? These people are short-term timers, basically, who do not have full day for trading, but they can give at least 1 to 3 hours every single day, and during 9:30 to 3:30, they sit. Even in the small benefit, 1 rupees, 3 rupees, sometime in paisa, they basically get out. But these people always play with volume. For example, if a normal person or an intraday trader buy 200 or 300 shares, these people will buy 2,000 or 3,000. So even if they get out for 2 rupees or 3 rupees, because the quantity is huge, they end up making good money. But these people run for smaller time and small benefits. Day traders are the one who give full day. They sit 9:30 to 3:30 and they do the trading. That means they buy in the morning, first half, and they sell it in the good amount of money in the closing time before that, but they close it in the same day. So these people can give full day. Okay. Then comes swing traders who give 1 to 15 days. What does it mean? In deliveries. This is 15, take it like that. That means I buy it now and I close my position in another 10 to 15 days. I do not wait more than that or less than 1 day, but I take my shares now and I go for 15 days itself. That's called swing trading. Okay. That's what most of the people do. These are the people who are doing jobs, full-time jobs, and they cannot give full day for the market, but they love to trade. And of course it's a side income, it's a passive income. So they basically want to trade. So they buy right now, and whenever in a lunch break, they can sell it. And after that, when the price is up. Now, 4th type is basically positional trading. They go for 1 month to 6 months. So they hold their trade for 1 to 6 months. So they can block their money. They have the capacity. They go for 1 to 6 months of trading and then they sell it. Okay. Now, question is, what do we teach? In my course, I teach all these 4 kind of trading, including the 5th one. Basically, the 6.
So which one is better, Tarun?
Sorry?
Which one is better?
The 5th one. 5th one.
The 5th. Okay.
What is the 5th one? Do you know what is the 5th one, Rahul?
No idea.
Okay, I'll tell you now. Do you know what is vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yeah, people who don't eat veggie stuff and do not eat chicken and other stuff, they're vegetarian. So someone is called vegetarian, someone is called non-vegetarian. But there's a third type, and the third type is mockatarian. It's a English language word called mockatarian. What does that mean? That means whatever is available on the table, I will eat that. So fifth type is the one, basically, whenever they have time for give 1 to 2 hours, they give 1 to 2 hours. Whenever they're free for full time, they do full time. Whenever they can do swing trading, they do swing trading. Otherwise, they're too busy, they will do positional trading. But they will definitely do trading. So fifth trading are the mockatarians, who basically do things as it goes. I mean, they do not fix themselves on one particular style. They switch and jump their trading style, and then they do it. However, you can choose and do whatever your work required. Like a lot of housewives, they can be a good scalpers because they cannot give full time every day, but they can certainly take out some hours in the day and they can do that. Some basically who are doing jobs can be good swing traders, and swing traders are the very famous style in amongst the job people who are doing full-time job. You can do it unless you don't, you can do trading unless you do not need your job. Because I had people who started with me 4 months back. In just 3 months, they quit their job in India. They're not working anymore and they're doing trading for full time because they understand how to make money, and they are making money. So that's also possible and doable. So you can pick and choose this type of trading that you want to do. Okay. Now, another thing, now we understood what is trading, what is share market, and what kind of types do we have for traders. You also understand where can I trade. So there is a thing called, so there are 4 domain you can trade. One is share market, equity, wherein you can trade. You can buy and share for any equity. For example, ICICI Bank and Reliance, you know, you have the shares for them, equity market. Second trading is basically option-based trading. Which is nothing but a derivative and for the equity itself, second trading. Third is commodity. Commodity is basically gold, silver, crude oil, and you know, these are the spices. These are the thing on commodities you can basically trade. And the fourth type is Forex, which is currency. Now, if somebody may ask me, what do I trade? My strategy is basically will be one, which will be working in every single domain. So you want to do swing, you want to do commodity, you want to do Forex, you want to do equity, you want to options. All the strategy will work in all 4 areas. You can pick and choose what you want to do. Now, commodity for beginners, I never recommend, because, you know, commodity can make you a millionaire overnight, and it can make you a broke person overnight, because the fluctuation is that much. So we do not suggest anybody doing commodity that fast. You can start with equity, move on to options or Forex for that matter, or start with Forex for that matter, currency trade, and then do it. But everything that you're going to do, if you practice the strategies that we share in the training, you will be milking money, and I will tell you how very soon. Now, the question comes after this is, what do we offer? We offer 3 things. One is, we offer a course of trading mastery. We give the training for 5 to 6 days, which covers, you know, the basic understanding of share market, to buying and selling, to analysis, to advanced trading analysis on the chart, so that you can take out the trades and become independent after some time practicing it, that you don't require anybody else's support. Okay. So that's what we do, and you can become profitable there. So that's number 1. Second is basically, we also have the service called intraday jackpot calls. What does it mean? Every day, in exchange of certain charges, every month, we give every day approximately 5 tips to you, buy and sell, which can make money for you. All you need to do is, you don't need to do analysis by yourself. We will do it and we'll give it to you. You can only buy and sell those shares, easy with C. You can make money with 90% accuracy. Now, 90% accuracy, what does it mean? 90% accuracy is, if we give you 5 calls, out of this, 4 calls will be profitable for sure. Can be possible that the 5th call will not hit that much, but you will definitely make money. Now, why you will make money? Understand this. In share market, if you go, there is a thing called risk and reward ratio. And people say this is very good risk and reward ratio. What is this? That if you lose 1 rupees, in the second call, you should make 2 rupees. Okay. But this is, for me, it's not good. My risk and reward is this. 1 is equal to 4. This is my risk and reward. That means in my call, when you lose money, you will lose 1 rupees. But when you make money, you will make 4 rupees. For example, if I give you 5 calls, as I said 4 calls you will make profit, but 1 call you will make loss. So 4 into 4 is basically 8. 8 rupees you will make, okay? Minus 1 call will be in loss, that means 1 is equal to, you will still end up making money at the end of the day. Okay, and I will show you few feedbacks from my groups, and I'll show you some screenshots so to basically help you out to understand it more. So we give that. And third thing that I do after my trading is this, which is mentoring. I support my people, of course, because I don't expect you to become a professional overnight. You will only become that by doing some practice. And if in case any doubt required, it's not that I've done trading and I'm gone. I give my mentorship and support to the people who require, and make you a professional trader so that basically you can make profit call by yourself, and you'll see that. Now, when it comes this program that I created, who is it for? This is perfect for any beginner who has 0 experience, or anybody else who has, you know, experience in investment already, who has done trading. It's for both of them. But as I said, what do? We basically start from basics and we go till the advanced level itself. Okay. And nobody else will offer you this kind of a course. Why? Because people only give training and they say bye-bye. My program is basically training with fantastic strategies. Along with it, we give mentorship program as well, which gives you external support, which nobody is offering. Second is the strategy can be traded around a full day job until you no longer need it. I was very, hesitant to write this, but I have no hesitance right now to say it. Why? Because there are people who are quitting their job because they are getting that kind of money. So I'm that confident on this. So this strategy can be traded around the full-time job that you're doing until that you don't need it. That means when you keep on making safe, stable income. And I will show you how as well. You can trade from home or from anywhere you wanted to. You have no boss or no dress code, which is my favorite part. No qualification or previous experience are required. And even if you have previous experience and you had a loss in the market, I always say your past results will not define your future performance, because before you didn't have those exposure that we're going to give you after the training. So your past results will not decide your future performance. That's why it's good for you. You definitely can thrive in the market and make money and become those amongst those 10% in profit. You do as much as you want and as little as you want. That's totally up to you, because the more you work, the more you get. So it's all totally up to you. And there's an unlimited earning potential. But the question comes, what do we cover? We learn in the workshop how to maximize profit and minimize risk. We learn a great way of beginners to get started, how to get started in the share market. We will also learn when to enter, when to exit. That means when to buy, what to sell, and when to do that. How to identify quality shares for profit. There are more than 6,000 shares. Which one to choose? I will also give you my pattern or strategy, how to filter shares and only pick those shares who can milk money for you and can work as a share who can, even if you're sleeping, they're making money for you. We will also learn the power of multi-confirmation. Why I'm saying this, we do not trade using one confirmation. Because we have multi-confirmation method, that's why my accuracy of the shares are 90%. Why? Because when we trade, when we take a buy or sell something, we buy based on 2-3 confirmations. And that's where we are winning every single time. I also train people on financial management. In few seconds, I will tell you a bit about that financial management so that you can also understand how does it work. Within the course, I share 5 of my amazing profitable hacks. These are the easy shortcuts, which works every single time and give approximately 5% to 30% returns every single day on your investment. So if you're investing around 1 lakh rupees, and basically every day, imagine you definitely getting approximately 5 to 10,000 rupees taking out every single day. I also trade 3 most investment rules. If you follow, you make money. Trading is all about 80% psychology and 20% skills. So basically you need to manage your emotions a bit. So I also trade, I'm a practical psychologist by education. So I train people how to manage your greed and how to manage your fear, because a lot of people lose their money because of greed, because they think, oh, 2 rupees more or 5 rupees more. They don't even book what they have in their hand. So I basically train them how to control that, how to discipline yourself, because only disciplined people survive in the industry. Also the fear. Okay. A great strategy to fit around a full-time job, because these strategies that I train, basically you can spend 1 hour in the night after your work, no problem, half an hour. Quickly you can take the trade before going to the office. Next day you can buy and forget about it and you'll be in profit. How to make money in rising and falling market, which is the most important thing. It doesn't matter whether the market is going up or market is failing or is going down. You will make money in both kind of situation. That's my promise. Why? Because our strategies are designed that way. Okay, that strategies are designed that way. I'm showing you a few pictures of my trainees who has made money from the past. If you see, and this is 1 day performance. Huh? Every single screen is 1 day intraday trading that they do. So this is option trading. You see, they're making 11,370, 5,000. My strategy also works in international market. So if you see, this is international trading. Somebody, he has earned $508 overall. That day, in the Indian market, 45,000, 133 rupees. Again, in the international market, if you see Amazon, Apple, the stocks are basically milking money for them. 1 day, this is all 1 day. Huh? And trust me, you will be the next person. If you join the course, you'll be the next person showing me the PNL for your application for that. For that matter, I have had the privilege to train a lot of college students on investment management. See, this guy has written something. He started with me on 26 July and he started with 50,000 rupees investment. In just 1 month, this message was sent to me around 5th or 6th of August, right just now. In just less than a month, the capital that he had in his account is around 1,30,000. You can see that the kind of returns very soon. Some more with feedback. You can read those feedback. You can see the number. I'm not going on the number, big numbers or small numbers. Some people has earned 374 rupees also. Now I still remember, this person is basically a housewife. Okay, and on her first trade, she earned on a 5,000 rupees investment. She has earned 374 on the first trade. She got out from the profit very fast because she was scared and she was very new. So, but any small or big, doesn't matter. Profit is profit. I was happy to see that. That's why I put it there. I always say that if you want to learn, earn in the investment market, the only way to do that is by learning something new and learning the strategy that works for you. Now, if you see the feedback also say that, it said, मैंने said आपने मुझे जो words कहे थे first time call पर in the market earn करने हैं तो learning के सिवा और कोई way नहीं है. And मैं मानता हूँ, and that's for sure. I always say that in my training, in my session, even now, the best way to basically best way to earn money in the market is basically go big by learning, and that's the only thing that can survive. Few more tricks you can see: 2,000, 29,000, 12,000, 7,000, and these are all one. And I see this happy emojis every single day in my WhatsApp groups and everything. When they held them out in the group, I see the number growing. Now these are the snapshot of my group where I give calls against the paid calls. Now this is last 4 days results, not last last 4 days results. If you see every day how much are we making, this is the total money that we made, 9,000 this thing. See, I'm not saying all calls will be in profit. We had 2-point loss also. See, but again call we got 42 points, so it covered. So we get loss also. It's not that we only had profit. See, 2-point loss. So we had losses also, but the profit that we gain, it's such 42 points, we got 4,000. That is, at the end of the day, you will be in profit. The other day we made 9,500. My promise in this group is around 3,000 every day, but look at the money that they're getting, 14,700. Okay, 12,700. So people are making and milking money in the using my buy above and sell below tech and hacks that I train, share with people. Now, guys, is it clear so far? Before I go further.
Yes.
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 Wonderful. Then comes the financial part. Okay. Now, what is the financial part? A little glimpse of my financial management that I train people on. So let's assume there is one share and its price is 2,250 rupees. Okay. And I'm talking about option trading. My option trading gives you minimum 10% of return and maximum basically 30%, 50%. Sometimes it gives 100% also. Like today, I've traded one share. Its price was 216 rupees. What was a buying price? And I sold it on 398. So if you calculate the percentage, is quite huge. So sometimes market gives you big, because today there's a big fall in the market. Okay, so I capitalized it and I earned basically around 15,000 rupees from one call. But anyways, so in option trading, what happened? You buy a lot. Let's say Bank Nifty, it has a lot of 25 shares in one lot. So that means 25 share is equal to one lot. If I calculate that your investment is 2,500 or 25,000 rupees, you start with basic 25,000 rupees. With the 25,000 rupees, if you need to buy shares of this 250 with the price of 250, basically you can buy 4 lot only. If you divide, 250, 25,000 you divide, you can buy 4 lots, which will have how many shares? 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares. One lot has 25 shares, that means 100 shares. Okay, and if I say I'm not taking 30%, I'm still taking, you get my minimum profit, which is 10%. Okay, that means in a day you will be making 2,500 as a profit. Okay, now there are total 22 sessions in a month. I'm saying you will not be able to trade all 22. Okay, or all 22 are not profitable because you're new, you done mistake or something or whatsoever. I'm taking only 15 days, give or take. Let's say minimum you will be in profit for 15 days. If you are in 15 days of profit, your monthly income or from the returns would be 37,500 in total, including this 25,000. So total will be 37,500 itself. Oh, sorry, 37,500. Now, what is the psychology that we trained on? I'm giving you just one of it. We train people on more of it, but yeah, this is one. What you need to do is you need to withdraw 70% of the value that you have earned. So if you take out 70% of 37,500 is basically 26,250. You take out this money and spend it on your family. Let me repeat it. You take out this money and spend it on your family like there is no tomorrow. Enjoy it. Now, if you recall, your first investment was 25,000, but you have taken out 26,000 already. Now, if you do minus 36,000 minus by 37,000, the remaining amount, which is 30% of amount, you add it in the investment amount. Then the second month, your capital would be 36,250. With the help of this, you can buy now approximately 6 lot. Before you were buying 4. Now you can buy 6 lot. And with 10%, you will be getting 3,625 per day. In 15 days, you'll be earning 54,375. Again, take out the 70%, 38,000, take out the money. I repeat, take out 38,000 and do what? Spend it on your family. 30%, add it in your investment, and the third month capital will be 52,000. Doing the same thing, just in 5 months, you will be able to withdraw approximately 1,16,038 rupees from the market. Remember, you already taken out your investment again, and this is how you're gonna grow smallly. Okay, this is how you need to go. And when we train people on financial management, we tell you what to do, what not to do, more what not to do, and of course what to do so that you can basically manage your funds as well. Now, a lot of people say this is too good to be true. Nothing, I don't know it's going to happen or not. Definitely will happen if you do disciplined trading. Of course, if you rush and if you do trading based on fear and greed, of course, the balance will be different. Like for example, say why to withdraw? I'm not going to withdraw. I'm going to, the second month onwards, I will add this 37 here for 50,000. I will buy all the 50,000 share here itself. No, this is not going to work. There has to be a discipline. There has to be a way. There has to be a strategy. If you want to work, if you want to reach to this destination, you need to follow the strategy which is built up for you, especially for you. What strategy that I have followed and many people are following, and they're getting their money. We want a stable income, and we don't want to rush, because if you rush, you will be out from the market very, very soon. If you want to enjoy the market and go for a long run, this is what you need to do. Like I have a target. I have a 10,000 rupees target. As soon as I'm making 10,000, I do not even touch a trade. I said, thank you very much. I'm not going to do anything else. You know why? I have this discipline of getting 10,000. I have my profit and my loss. Similarly, if I have a loss of 4,000 rupees in a day, I will not trade. That's the maximum I will give to the share market, and that's the maximum I will take. So I'll do trading on my terms. I do not trade by running behind the market. It's not that I don't get losses. I also get losses. However, if I take overall out of my accuracy, I say 80-20. So if I do take 10 trades, 8 trade will give me money and 2 trades will give me loss. But overall, I will be in profit itself because there's nothing 100% in the market. But overall, if you follow my strategy, you will definitely be in profit itself. Yeah. So this is the glimpse of the financial management that we train people. And lastly, I want to tell you that life is a sum of all your choices, and it's a fact. Life never gives opportunity to people. Now, I have given my introduction the first time, and I said, I also quit my job because of a reason. I want to take this a full time, just like other people, because, when something clicks for you, you never know how things going to go. So I think trading market is doing wonderfully fine for me. And I'm not saying you do the same thing, but yeah, you can give it a shot. Try it. I have implemented this strategy, and many of my trainees have implemented the strategy, and they're milking money out of it. You can also get that money for sure. This is the outline of my course that you guys are going to get. If in case you guys are interested, we will share the details of the course and the prices so that you can register yourself. The batch is starting from Saturday this week, and you can also be a part of it. You can pick and choose whether you want to do the course and you want to take the support of the calls, or you want to just take the course, or you just want to take the calls. That's totally up to you. Pick and choose. I will recommend that take the course and learn things by yourself. And I can promise you this, in another 3 months, if you show a little, I'm not saying just 20-30% interest, and you start doing it, you will fall in love with this, and your friends, family, and everybody will come to you asking for suggestion, where to invest, which share to buy, because these strategies are so freaking simple that you can understand it and implement it like nursery rhymes. It's like twinkle, twinkle, little star, that you don't forget every single day of your life. You can remember it. It's that simple. It's nursery rhymes. It's very simple. Okay. The first part is only hard when you try to understand the patterns. But after that, once you understand the strategy and you do it by yourself for once for a week, oh my God, it's like amazing. And you look at the chart and you can basically tell this share is going to fall, this share gonna come down very, very easily, and everything is going to happen with you guys. So it's up to you. Life, as I said, is basically a choice of yours. You need to make the choice. Now, before we go further, is there any question somebody want to ask before we end it? Because I guess I'm done from my side. Any question, anything that you guys want to ask? Guys, any questions? Somebody want to ask something?
No. It's clear.
So everything is clear, guys. So okay. So okay. So I will share my number with you guys. If you do not have it, I will share my number. My number is this 055. I'll write it that way. Wait, give me 1 second. I've also written it into the chat box option. The number is there. Okay, what number is there? My name is Tarun, 97155338191. If in case you're interested in knowing more about the detail and the charges, you can basically WhatsApp me, and the batch is starting from Saturday onwards. This will be a one-time investment, which can make, basically give you a extra edge on your skills. Because a lot of people, you know, I always say that I'm not a doctor. I'm not an engineer who has a skill that goes beyond with it. This is a skill that you can learn, that in future, even if you don't have a job, you have a skill which will milk money for you anytime that you want to. Once you will learn this, and it's not a big thing, just 5 days workshop. And I promise you to make it even more simpler, that it's a one-time investment of a life. I will say that, because that's what I strongly believe. And this is what it is. Yeah. So I give you the number, check it by yourself. And if interested, let me know, guys. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining in.
You.
And hopefully I'll see you, some of you, very soon. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.